Now, the most important thing I want people to understand, charged with an OUI in Boston, is these are winnable cases. It's very difficult to prove an OUI beyond a reasonable doubt. Field sobriety tests are very subjective. There's a lot of reasons. Maybe you didn't do so well on these tests. Maybe it was the weather, the road conditions. Maybe you don't have good balance. A lot of officers explain the test very quickly. When we see body camera video, we see various types of demonstrations. We see officers interrupting the person during the test. So there's a lot of methods that I'll use to say that those field tests don't show you're impaired. And in most cases, I'll use those to show that they actually contradict the officer's opinion, that you did well, that a lot of the things you did were not typical of someone who was under the influence of alcohol. So I'll look at the entire case, and when the police write the report, they try to nitpick every little thing you do to say you're impaired. We do the opposite. We try to find every area where we could say if someone was drunk, they'd exhibit these signs, and say that you didn't exhibit those signs. So it shows you were sober, that you were good enough to drive, that you weren't impaired.